what? I was thinking yesterday, you are one of those friends that say that, I am working. But now I don't even say. I just say I'm working as a data analyst. I don't. June end or July. So I didn't sit for campus placements. Plus my internship was in aviation sector, and that got hit due to the pandemic. So वहाँ पे PPO का कोई scene नहीं हुआ. So that happens. I was applying very actively off campus. Then I got through this. Then it happened, and
So you wanted to go in aviation sector?
Actually, I was interning with United Airlines. I loved the work there. I loved my team there. So I was very much happy. Okay, everything is for the best. How are you doing? What's up with you? Except for
YouTube.
Yeah.
Okay,
I love your unboxing videos. I've seen those.
Oh, thank you, man. Yeah, I got those PR boxes out of nowhere. So I decided to unbox them.
Famous. I didn't know those were PR packages. I thought you're just ordering stuff and then you were reviewing that. I didn't know it was PR. Sorry about it.
The first package that I got was a PR package because at that time I told some of my friends that I'm going to start this again.
Yeah.
And इन लोगों को लगा कि थोड़ी importance मिल जानी चाहिए इसको तो थोड़ा भेज देते हैं.
Oh, that's good. That's
good. तो उसका जो package था. So I am still working with the same company I interned with. You are the first person who had a tea. Oh my God, thank God.
I was about to have coffee. Then I didn't feel like having tea, the actual tea, so I chamomile tea pee rahi hu. I usually drink this before sleeping, but consider tea only. So ठीक है.
हाँ नहीं मैं you must have seen कि पिछले मेरे videos में भी मैंने यही पकड़ा हुआ था हाथ में.
Yeah. Okay. No, feels like coffee Karan. मैं full feels में हूँ अब.
नहीं मैं बोलने वाली थी if you want coffee you can bring coffee also. That's fine.
No, I thought यार रात को फिर जागती रहूंगी वैसे ही 2-3 बजे सोती हूँ. So I thought why to ruin the schedule. I also have mehendi on my hands, you can see.
Oh nice. I tried making mehendi मेरी माँ के हाथ पे and I made Kirchhoff law का वो पूरा.
Oh, I also put mehendi on her hands today morning. I'll show you. Wait, I'll show you. I have a picture. हाँ. ये तो I got done because मेरी friend के brother की wedding थी, so तब कराया मैंने. See, I put.
Did you do this?
Yeah, I did.
Oh my God, you're so talented, dude. Come on. First time though. It doesn't seem like it.
हाँ सच्ची. But it's not neat. It's good. I like it, but वो उतना neatness नहीं है. हाथ में
Dude, you should see mine में I know हो जाता है.
मैं पेन की तरह पकड़ रही थी उस मेहंदी के कोन को, तो मेरे हाथ
हाँ ऐसे पकड़ते हैं लोग. नहीं I have no clue but मैंने कल ट्राई करा after a very long time मैंने ट्राई करा और पूरा मम्मी के हाथ पे ऐसे तारे बन गई ऐसे तारे हो गई सारी जगह. ओ मैंने कहा यही होता है अगर आप इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स इंजीनियर के हाथ में मेहंदी का कोन पकड़ाओगे. वायर्स आएगी.
My mom was like, अब मैं तुझसे ही लगवाऊंगी. मैंने कहा हेलो नहीं हो रहा. So I only put it on one hand. I said अब मेरी कॉल से मैं जा रही हूँ. Sorry, I can't do this. और वो एक ही हाथ पे लेके घूम रही थी सुबह से. She said, मैंने कहा नहीं sorry. अब मैं कहती मैं next time तुझसे ही लगवाऊंगी. मैंने कहा नहीं हो रहा ऐसा. Sorry.
Welcome to the third episode of High on Chai. आज का हमारा कोई टॉपिक नहीं है. We are going off topic. And because we are going to talk about everything that we love other than engineering. So Riya, tell me about yourself. कहाँ मिले हम? Who are you as a person? What's going on?
Oh, we met at Yums. Did I know you before that? I must have seen you. but we met
We
at
might
Yums.
have
So
met through Rajat, maybe. I don't know.
Rajat, yeah, I think
Yeah,
so. Don't know.
yeah.
So
Dance
Yums
practices.
was, yeah, Yums was this debating thing now. So the debating society, the official debating society of NCU was Yums. So we met there. I was organizing some event. I mean, I was co-organizing an event, and
Yeah.
Yukti was a participant there. Kind of bonded over debating, and we have been talking since then. We talk absolutely anything and everything.
I think.
It's mostly, you know what I was thinking yesterday, you are one of those friends जो वो कई ऐसे posts नहीं होते that there's one social media friend who hypes you up like nobody else, just that we did not only meet on social media, we've met in real life, but the
Yeah,
kind of bond we share is exactly that. So it's me and
yeah.
Yukti just hyping up each other on the post, on whatever we all write, we like both of us write on each other's pictures, on whatever content we are putting up, and in general also, you know, sending things like motivational wala, how to deal with anxiety and all of that. So we bond over a lot of things, I think.
Yeah. So
Those are
my
the most
opening line was this only ki it was so funny that we met through a debating competition only, and we ended up being those friends who chat over anything and everything
yeah.
anytime.
True, true, true. Yes, exactly. But yeah, वो यम्स का कुछ फ्यूचर ही नहीं हुआ यार हमारे. I feel very sad about it. I
I
wanted to have
felt it
open
was
mics,
going somewhere.
but then I think we all gave up. छोड़ दिया क्योंकि कोई होप नहीं लगा कॉलेज से, so we thought छोड़ो, leave it.
But you did have some open mics before the momentum वाला scene जो हमारा नीचे basement में हुआ था. वो तुम लोगों ने करवाया था या generally हुआ था?
नहीं, वो
Okay,
ऐसा.
I thought because Rohin was hosting it, so I thought
Rohin
maybe
hosts
you guys.
everything. Rohin hosts everything.
Let's. Oh
वो
yeah, I know
सबको
that.
host कर देगा. So no, I wanted to like I was very close with Divyaba ma'am, and she knows
हाँ.
how much I wanted to have, like, you know, a very good decent open mic. But I
Mm-hmm.
also, like, we also planned a lot, but then मैंने कहा छोड़ो मैं बाहर attend कर लूंगी, so I attended quite a few open mics outside. वो मैं
ठीक है
करती
मैं
रहती.
बाहर अटेंड कर लूंगी.
हाँ, मतलब मुझे ऑर्गेनाइज कराना था क्योंकि मुझे लगा कि यार होना चाहिए ना, मतलब कॉलेज में कुछ अच्छा सा. वी हैव ज्योतिका पृथ्वी मैम, वी हैव, यू नो, अ लॉट ऑफ टैलेंटेड पीपल. तो मेरे को
हाँ
था कि
हाँ.
करा लो. बट फिर ये भी लगा कि उनके अलावा बाकी क्राउड का क्या करोगे जब वो आके ऐसा खड़े हो जाएंगे वहां पे और कचरा
पता है
होएगा,
क्या?
क्या करोगे.
Have you the point is also about the crowd. जो क्राउड का प्रायोरिटी है ना वो बहुत ऑफ डायरेक्शनल है इस पॉइंट पे.
वही.
तो वो
छोड़ो.
those fabulous cheers that we used to get when we used to do the hosting.
यस. Be
Okay,
it
I see
hosting,
your
be it anything. Yeah, go on, go on.
like I see your hula hoop at the back. Are
वो
you
सबसे वहीं पड़ा है. मैंने नहीं किया वो. So I did that for 1 month. मैंने कुछ
hmm
tricks सीखी, but you know the thing is ये वाला जो है ना, this is very heavy. So this is for the
okay,
beginners. जो ऐसे
okay.
घुमाते रहते हैं ना hoops वाली videos में, बहुत flawlessly ऐसे घुमा रहे होते हैं. Those are the lighter ones. तो इसको मैंने घुमाने
Okay.
की कोशिश करी and used to end up getting hurt. फिर मैंने कहा इसको छोड़ो, इसको बस ऐसा वो कर लो, वेस्ट वाला कर लो, इसको वेस्ट होपिंग. उससे ज्यादा कुछ नहीं हो सकता है इससे.
मैंने देखा ना I was looking at it when you were doing it and you were putting up stories कि I got into hula hoop again and I'm like ये कब से हो गया. But बहुत बढ़िया you were doing it. मैं तो 2 मिनट भी नहीं रख सकती ऊपर, मेरे को तो ऐसा लग रहा
मैंने
था.
जब मैंने फर्स्ट डे आया ना, आई थॉट ये बहुत ज्यादा बड़ा है ये, क्योंकि दिस इज 38 इंचेस. सो आई थॉट ये
For
क्या,
you.
तो मुझसे घूमा ही
हाँ.
नहीं, मुझसे घूम ही नहीं रहा था वो. मैंने कहा मैं तो फिट ही नहीं आऊंगी इसमें, ये क्या हो रहा है. So then I spent 3 hours, like the first day I got it, I spent 3 to 4 hours just practicing it. और जो मैंने first video डाली थी, that was the first day itself. So that was my day
Yeah.
one of cooking.
So are
I
you
gave
planning
up
on
on
buying
it.
the lighter one or
No, no,
यही
no, I'm
अभी?
done with it. हो गया बस, शौक पूरा हो गया.
शौक पूरा हो गया.
तो उठा के चीजें छोड़ देती हो यार. आई डोंट कंटिन्यू, लाइक दैट्स जस्ट ठीक है, हो गया बस, छोड़
I mean,
दो.
you tried it. If you're not sticking to it, then that's not like a
That's the
big.
story of my life.
Yeah. So you are
So that
also very keen and interested in traveling, I think.
I am, but I'm unable to travel. Like I am. I want to.
Everyone is unable to travel right now. We are crying over Pahad. We want to go and like people
यार
are
मेरा
going,
तो
but I'm very paranoid right now to travel.
एक्चुअली सीन बन रहा था अभी भी फॉर दिसंबर, नवंबर एंड दिसंबर. आई थिंक हो जाए अगर पॉसिबल. लाइक माय फैमिली इज वेरी पैरानॉइड, बट अभी सब हो ही रहा है ना यार. सो लाइक आई टेल देम कि वो तो सेफ है, तो ठीक है कर लो, देख लो, लेट्स सी हाउ इट टर्न्स आउट, बट मे बी समथिंग वर्क्स आउट. आई विल बी हैप्पी टू मूव आउट फॉर श्योर. मतलब मुझे ऐसा
Oh,
था, मुझे 3 दिन
definitely.
जाने दो, मेरे आगे
हाँ
का जो 1 साल है वो निकल जाएगा बहुत अच्छे से. तो बस 3 दिन
हाँ
का पीस दे दो तो हो जाएगा. बिकॉज वर्क फ्रॉम होम इज एक्सटेंडेड टिल जून यार. अब मैं आई वोंट बी एबल टू मूव आउट. सो आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड फॉर मूविंग
yeah.
आउट, बट लेट्स सी. So
Same.
what's your job location, by the way?
So we were based at Ghitorni. Have you heard of it? Near Chhatarpur
Yeah.
wala location, na?
Mhm.
So that was a co-working space, but because COVID happened, so they gave up the location. Yeah, so that is why maybe we will change it or वही सेम लोकेशन पे चले जाएंगे वापस. क्या पता नहीं कोई क्या रहता है.
सही सही.
सेम मेरा भी
My
प्लान बन रहा था नवंबर का फॉर ट्रैवलिंग, बट आई एम टू पैरानॉइड राइट नाउ बिकॉज my नाना नानी also lives nearby my house.
oh, अच्छा.
And I don't want कि कोई घर पे आए and if I get sick, so they also get sick. But I
Yeah.
have a location where I can like isolate myself. But I don't think I'm a kind of a person who can go into isolation and be like, ठीक है मैं यहाँ खाना खा लूंगी आप दूर रहो. I
But
can't do that.
I think there was,
तो
I had this COVID scare last week. तो मैं आइसोलेटेड थी, बट समहाउ आई डोंट नो व्हाट हैपेंड. मैं पूरा दिन अपने रूम में होती हूँ, नोबडी कम्स एंड टॉक्स टू मी, क्योंकि उन्हें पता है कि कर रही है काम तो करने दो. कोई भाव नहीं देता मेरे को घर पे. दोस 2 days एवरीबॉडी वाज इन माय रूम. पता नहीं सबको क्या प्यार था. तो मैंने कहा कि
हाँ
आइसोलेट करने तो क्या करें, बिकॉज दे वर वेरी श्योर कि कुछ नहीं हुआ, बट आई वाज स्कैर्ड. सो आई थॉट कि क्या कर रहे हो, बट दे वर लाइक नहीं 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 नहीं, कुछ नहीं हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ, कुछ नहीं हुआ. So that happened. Like, luckily I got tested negative, but isolate मेरा तो forever isolation ही रहता. I don't step out of my room that much.
I remember you freaking out. भाई कुछ हो गया कुछ हो गया.
मेरा गला खराब हो रहा था 2 दिन से थोड़ा सा. एंड यू नो व्हाट हैपेंड, जब टेस्ट नेगेटिव हुआ ना, उसके आधे घंटे के बाद मैंने रियलाइज करा मेरा गला भी ठीक हो गया. तो दैट वाज ऑल साइकोलॉजिकल.
हमारा दिमाग ना बहुत ऑफ डायरेक्शन जगह पे चला जाता है इन सब चीजों को लेके. अभी 2 दिन पहले आई वेंट टू माय फ्रेंड्स हाउस एंड ही लिव्स एट द 9th फ्लोर. तो क्या हुआ कि उस आसपास कोई बिल्डिंग नहीं है, तो इट वाज लाइक पूरी खुली हवा ऐसे आ रही है कमरे के अंदर और उन्होंने खिड़की दरवाजा सब खोला हुआ है. When I got back home the next morning, my whole throat was like dry, gone. मेरी फट के 4 हो गए. मैं कहा fuck, करो ना करो. Then I talked to my mom and then she said, तूने आइसक्रीम भी खाई, तू ऊपर भी बैठी थी, वहाँ हवा भी चल रही थी, तू घूम के भी आई है, तो कुछ तो होगा ना. चलो ठीक है.
अभी यही होता है, हल्का सा भी खांसी आ जाए, हल्का सा कुछ भी हो जाए, लाइक कोरोना कोरोना यही चल रहा है. But like
And
a lot of my known ones have tested positive. So now it feels like, it's coming nearer. ऐसा फील हो रहा है, बिकॉज अभी तक सुन
yeah,
रहे थे दूसरों का, अभी एकदम नोन में सुन लिया, तो नाउ आई एम स्कैर्ड. बहुत घूमी हूँ मैं भी,
so
मैं
it's
बहुत
like the
घूमी.
radius and the circle is shrinking down and then you feel like
तो अब मैं
you're the
चुपचाप घर बैठी
epicenter.
हूँ. अब मैं चुपचाप घर पे बैठी हूँ कि अब बस, अब ठीक है, हो गया, अब घर बैठो, अब बहुत घूम लिए.
So we had some pointers decided.
Yes.
Should we start with the one
Yeah.
that you wanted to talk about, manifestation, or should we keep it for later on?
Later on रखते हैं. Go on.
Okay, so मेरा point ये था that it feels like we have grown so much as like individuals, and yet we are so young. That was my point.
Actually, very recently, I was in conversation with my mother. वो actually manifestation से ही कुछ related था, because she recently got to know about it कहीं तो अपनी किसी friend से something. So she was basically introduced with the concept. So she was very excited. She comes and tells me that, Riya, this, and I said, what? I have been practicing this for a while. So she was
Yeah.
shocked. कहती कि क्या कैसे ये क्या how do you know about it? So I said I have, like, for the past actually 2 years I have come across a lot of people, a lot of new people who have pointed me to this direction some way or the other. It was not intentional, but it just somehow happened. So
Yeah.
I told her a lot of stories, I told her a lot of things, and then I heard her talking to that friend again one day, and she was like, Ki, Ria knows about this already. And I was very, happy, and I was very proud that had I known this when I was her age, it would have made a huge difference in my life. So she said कि इन लोगों को पता है हमसे ज़्यादा. So that was one thing that was in the positive context, but there still is kind of that bubble that our generation, the people of our age, have कि हम लोगों को पता है सब, हमें मत सिखाओ वाला kind of. But that might be true in some context, but I don't think that's pura aisa wholly true, because I find myself getting stuck in trouble and then seeking help ki mama ye ho gaya,
Oh,
ye ho
every
gaya,
time.
I messed up,
हाँ.
this is a chaos, my life is a chaos. And then she has to sit me down and say, listen, you're just 22, please stop freaking out. So that
Yeah.
happens. But I know it's like both things, like positive, negative, to both things, knowing everything and not knowing everything. Like that's what it has somehow turned out for me. I don't know what's your stance about it. I mean,
Okay, so I think because I am doing a certain kind of a job which has made me think things in a way जिसमें मुझे दूसरों का perspective बहुत important होता है मेरे लिए. So it's always me listening and observing more like more than me saying कि नहीं मुझे पता है. I never say कि मुझे पता है. I always want to understand कि वो बंदा क्या सोच रहा है. For example, अगर मैं बोलूँ that मैंने ये dance करा, now I come to you and I ask कि how do you find my dance? Then I'll just listen to you and come across, like, even if you are a non-dancer, I would like to know what my audience is thinking of. So it's not just restricted to that. It's like all over जो अपना life में चल रहा है उसमें one thing that I've seen is कि सुनना is very important, because if you just keep on speaking you will miss out on so much information in life, what people are speaking, what people are sharing, what knowledge they have. You just miss out on everything and you just keep on speaking and in the same loop with the
yeah.
same information. So
I
that is
love to
my
see somebody bringing up this to wait and listen thing, because I have also been doing that a lot. Like I normally speak a lot, but and earlier I a lot of times I found myself kuch discussion bhi agar chal raha hai, to make sure that no, I'm missing out on this, I have to speak this, because it's like kind of a FOMO thing ki अरे नहीं मेरा point सुनो और मेरा opinion सुनो. So I was always in that hurry to put up what I think. And there I thought that होता ये था कि what the other person was speaking वो रह जाती थी बात, and then we never got back to it. So now I'm making conscious efforts to actually listen and then go on adding to what I wanted to say earlier. So
yeah.
it's really good to see that you spoke about it.
Today itself, we were talking about one thing called mindfulness. We were talking about how we all are like addicted to phones and like हम एक दूसरे को relationship में कैसे time दे पाते हैं, because in general like friendship, parent relationship, brother, sister, boyfriend, girlfriend, whatever it may be. So we don't invest ourselves fully whenever we are like talking to somebody or like we are sitting down with someone. Like these times, these lockdown time periods have like taught us so much ki human connection is the one thing that the humans crave, because uske bina to I think
Totally.
everybody will just directly go into like depressed
Totally.
isolation. Yeah. So we were just talking about that how phones have connected us virtually with like thousands of people, but yet we have just 2-3 people on our list who are so important to us. Whenever we have any problems and anything, we go to them. What do you
With
think? Phones.
yeah, with mindfulness there also comes another thing, which is the awareness of thought, maybe. So when you're saying that we're too distracted with phones and social media and probably all these things that we are in a constant rush to do this, to do that, and we don't actually focus on what is going on right now. So that's one thing, that you have to live in the present. There's so much going on in your head. Abhi to especially itna kuch chal raha hai. Work from home, this, that, not giving time to family. Because I find myself working from, like, I start working at 10 in the morning, 10:30. I keep working till 10:30, 10:30 in the night. Then I have my dinner, and then I am like कि मुझे अपने लिए time चाहिए अब. So I get back into my shell. But then I realized that, this is so wrong. So I had to draw a line between my personal and professional life. So now I try wrapping up my work by 8. कि दिन में जो फालतू का टाइम पास करती थी उसको कट डाउन करके काम कर लो. Wrap up by 8, have your family time, and then you can have your personal time. So it's like, it's constant introspection, and it's also the awareness of thought, that what you are exactly thinking when you are in that moment. So maybe I have 10 things in my mind when I am in a conversation with you, but if I keep wandering here and there, I probably won't be able to give my 100% to this conversation, which is it's kind of you miss out on things again, like you're missing out if you're not fully present. And this one thing brings me to the manifestation thing, because the first rule, not the rule, the first step to it is awareness of thought. Because we're clinging on to past energies, future tensions, that you have to live in the present, and you have to consciously change the past energy. So if I am hurt, or if I am in regrets, or any XYZ feeling from a past thing, I have to change that energy, because it is going to affect my present energy, and then ultimately it's going to affect the future energy that I will be stepping into. So it's the change of energies. Basically, I am a huge believer of energies, and by energies I mean probably the energy of this conversation. Yes, vibe check, kind of. So you're meeting somebody
for the new age kids. Vibe.
Yeah. So it's important. It's and it actually, I have this thing that if there's something important to me, I'll only tell it to the people who are very close to me, and who I know, are happy in my happiness. I won't tell it to somebody who's jealous of me, or someone like that, because I don't want their energy to get projected onto me. So it's not superstitious, it's just I believe in that. I believe in the energies of people. I believe the energies being projected onto me, and my own energy as well.
So you may want to call it like finding the right balance between the energies of two people who are having the conversation or sharing the moment with each other.
Precisely. Yeah.
So moving on to that, we also talked about how we are good at everything else other than engineering.
You are a live example of it. You are doing like, I didn't know what are you working as in the college. I till third year I didn't know you were in mechanical engineering. I really didn't know. मुझे पता नहीं.
No, I'm in electrical
तो भी है, मुझे नहीं पता था. तो
अभी भी नहीं पता.
मुझे लगता था कि ये लड़की कुछ तो कर रही है, मुझे नहीं पता क्या कर रही है, बट जो भी, like, apart from engineering, whatever she's doing, she's great at it. I've seen you dancing, I've seen you debating, I've seen you anchoring, I have seen you ranting about things, or I've seen you doing everything except for electrical, mechanical, जो भी है. So
हाँ, वो तो क्या ही देखोगे? You can't just come into the lab and see me doing stuff.
No, but नहीं, फिर भी यार, मतलब जैसे हम लोगों का रहता था कि कुछ कोडिंग की बातें कर रहे हैं, कुछ हो रहा है, कुछ प्रोजेक्ट की बातें कर रहे हैं, या कुछ ना कुछ चलता रहता था कंप्यूटर साइंस वालों का, या मतलब जो मेरा सर्कल था बेसिकली. But I've never seen you involved in electrical. I've seen you do everything else, and you rock everything else. Even on your Instagram, I mean, your YouTube, your Instagram, everything is filled with ऐसे talent pour हो रहा है हर चीज में, बहुत सारा.
अरे so this is the main reason why everyone asks me कि why did you do engineering? I'm like, वो ना मेरे पास option नहीं था.
लाइफ प्लान में था नहीं, बट हो गया.
तो ये मैं कह रही थी कि we are good at everything else other than, but I think you are doing analysis.
Yeah, I've always I have loved coding हमेशा से, because I had like computer
हाँ
science 11 12th में extra subject था मेरा, एक extra नहीं, क्या होता है वो, additional subject, तो
वो
वो था।
क्या कहता है उसको, उप नहीं पता नहीं, छोड़ो, हाँ नेवर माइंड,
होता
देखो
है
भूल
हाँ।
भी गए, इट जस्ट एंडेड। ऑप्शनल सब्जेक्ट, ऑप्शनल।
ऑप्शनल।
ओह माय गॉड।
तो तब से
हाँ।
कोडिंग में इंटरेस्ट था, बट मेरा भी बीटेक का कोई प्लान था नहीं, लाइक आई वांटेड टू अ लॉट ऑफ अदर थिंग्स व्हिच आई डिडंट डू। तो अल्टीमेटली कर लिया वो भी एनसीयू से, तो हो गया। बट ठीक है, बट मुझे कोडिंग पसंद है, तो ऐसा नहीं है कि
या
क्यों कर ली बीटेक, क्यों ये हो गया, क्यों वो हो गया, ठीक है, हो गया, दैट्स फाइन। आई लव
नहीं, I
कोडिंग।
think BTech has invested a lot in my personality, I would say, to learn how to deal in situations where I don't know what the fuck to do. And given the fact Viva, but and other than that, like the people I have met, like you, Shubham, and Rajat, Rohin, everyone that I've worked with, being an anchor, debate में या hosting something, it's always been a journey. I would say कि it wasn't all bad, but engineering was something I was not looking to like doing. I wanted to do mass and communication because that would make more
Oh,
sense
I
for me.
also wanted to do. I also wanted to do that.
Yeah.
मेरा सिंथेसिस के से करने का सीन था, बट ड्रॉप कर दिया। एक्चुअली आई आल्सो वांटेड, मतलब मेरे तो करियर तो इट्स बिन, मैं 8th में थी when I came across this actuarial science वाला thing. I wanted to do that because that was to do with mathematics, probability, everything that I love. So I thought 8th में, like it was very young to decide, you know, कि ये करियर ये तो मैं करूंगी, मतलब this is what I'll do,
हाँ.
because I didn't want to follow वो crowd वाला कि बीटेक कर लो, सीए कर लो, ये कर लो, वो कर लो, वो मुझे नहीं करना था। I was looking for something out of the box. That was something that was very new to me at that time, and that was something I also loved. So सब ऐसा अलाइन हो रहा था, तो मैंने सोचा कि डीयू में ले लेती हूँ किसी भी चीज में एडमिशन, कॉलेज वॉलेज जाना नहीं आएगा, साथ में एक्चुअल कर लूंगी। डीयू में फकअप हुआ, इंजीनियरिंग कर लिया लास्ट ऑप्शन लेके। द डे आई सबमिटेड सब फीस मैं आई थी अगस्त एंड में, एंड दीज
हाँ.
पीपल वर लाइक कि अरे सीट्स फुल हो गई। मैंने कहा कि मुझे तो चाहिए एडमिशन। सो दे सेड सीएससी तो सीट्स फुल हो गई, तो आप मैकेनिकल ले लो। मैंने कहा नहीं नहीं, मैं तो
Oh,
सीएससी लूंगी, और मेरे मेंस में थे 60 नंबर। तो
okay.
दे आस्क्ड मी मेंस में कितने, मैंने कहा 60। तो शी वाज
हाँ.
लुकिंग एट मी कि इतने कॉन्फिडेंस से बोल कैसे रही है 60 मेरे मुंह
ये
पे।
मुझे चाहिए।
एंड देन शी इज लाइक मुझे तो कंप्यूटर साइंस चाहिए। तो मुझे पता था इतनी औकात नहीं है एनसीयू की, तो तुम बोल सकते हो। तो वो लिया, और 3 दिन के बाद मैथ्स ऑनर्स में मेरे को टीयू में मिल गया था।
Are you sure you want to say this? औकात नहीं।
आई डोंट केयर मैन, आई डोंट केयर नाउ। तो दैट हैपेंड। 3 दिन के बाद मिल गया डीयू में, बट देन क्योंकि ऑलरेडी बहुत ऐसा मैं फिकल माइंडेड हो गई थी उस टाइम पे, माय
Yeah.
फैमिली फोर्स मी कि कर ले, लाइक लीव दैट, व्हाटएवर हैज हैपेंड हैपेंड, छोड़ो, बीटेक नहीं करनी मत करो, ले लो डीयू में। बट देन आई थॉट
Yeah.
कि ठीक है, नाउ व्हाट इज डन, अब कर लेते हैं बीटेक। सो दैट हैपेंड,
Mm-hmm.
मतलब आई एम
I mean,
कंटेंट विद द फैक्ट कि जो हुआ वो हुआ। आई एम कंटेंट, आई एम वेरी कंटेंट।
yeah, so I think because the direction that you're going in, also where this thing is leading to, if you don't have any regrets, then I think it's fine. Yeah.
शुरू फर्स्ट
And
टाइम हुआ था क्राउड देख के कि ये कहाँ
uh,
गई।
well,
So that had
that's
happened.
a story for another time. But funny.
करियर वाइज तो मेरा बहुत ही रोलर कोस्टर रहा है। आई मीन अजीब सा ही कुछ रहा है, बट ठीक है, इट्स गुड। आई एम हैप्पी टू व्हाट यू नो इट हैज लेड टू। आई एम वेरी हैप्पी विद ऑल ऑफ इट, सो दैट्स
Yeah.
फाइन नाउ।
It was like pre-decided for me. It was in 10th, I got good grades in science. And in 10th end, mummy was like PCM ले, PCM ले, PCM ले ली, खुश सब घर पे बढ़िया एकदम कॉफी की ट्रीट पीली सीसीडी से घर जाते हुए। I was like अरे इसमें तो बड़ा इज्जत मिल रही है, ये चीज बड़ी सही है that। फिर उसके बाद पीसीएम खत्म हुई तो अपनी औकात पता चली जब मार्क्स नहीं आए 11th 12th में।
मैं
फिर
क्या
उसके
रोई हूँ
बाद
11th में। 11th मार्क्स नहीं आते थे यार, आते ही नहीं
exactly
थे। 10th तक मैं
exactly
ऐसा टॉपर बच्ची रही हूँ, उसके बाद 11th में तो नंबर ही नहीं आ रहे, ये हो क्या रहा है। माय पेरेंट्स लाइक दे
right
वर
दस
स्कैर्ड।
like 9.8 से सीधा ऐसे आना was like
I remember that.
and now that I've done engineering, my mom is like मुझे तेरी प्रिंसिपल का नंबर दे, मुझे उसको बताना है कॉल करके तूने इंजीनियरिंग कर ली है. Because I was like, you just fought with her because she thought that I did not do it. Like there is no reason to fight for this. तो ये कन्वर्सेशन चलती रहती थी घर पे. Then I was also, this is very important point कि बीच में कोई चीज छोड़नी नहीं है, क्योंकि एक बार जो शुरू कर दिया ना तो उसको तो लेके जाना ही है आगे.
और फिर अगर वो मास कॉम भी में भी कुछ फकअप हो गया तो और गालियां पड़ेंगी घर से कि ये भी नहीं हुआ वो भी नहीं हो रहा तुमसे. करोगे क्या जिंदगी में.
इससे अच्छा है माँ बाप की सुनो, बेस्ट है.
बेटर ऑप्शन है. ब्लेम करने को कोई तो होना चाहिए.
मैं कह रही हूँ ना, मेरे लिए सबसे बढ़िया एडवाइस है. एक तो चलो ठीक है, दे बिकॉज माय डैड इज एन इंजीनियर, ही न्यू कि ये यहाँ पे ग्रोथ वाइज ये कहाँ जाएगी ये चीज. बट आई वाज नॉट श्योर अबाउट दिस बिकॉज मेरा कोई इंटरेस्ट था ही नहीं कभी ये मैथ्स वगैरह वाली फील्ड में. अदर देन दैट काफी इंटरेस्टिंग है. मेरे मोस्ट इलेक्टिव्स वर मैनेजमेंट के इलेक्टिव्स.
मैंने तो लिया नहीं, मतलब मैनेजमेंट नहीं, मैं वो लेती थी, ईवीएस वाले लेती थी और उसमें मेरे को मिलती थी भारती मैम. वो ना मेरे को क्लास से निकल के देती पंच करके, वो उनको चाहिए वर्ड टू वर्ड तुम आंसर लिखो नहीं तो मार्क्स नहीं दूंगी. और मैं इतना रोती थी कि क्या ले लिया, क्यों ले लिया.
क्या बात कर रही है.
हाँ मुझे लगा था ग्लोबल वार्मिंग है, कुछ भी लिख के आ जाओगे, क्लाइमेट चेंज लिखो, ग्लोबल वार्मिंग लिखो. नहीं यार नहीं, 2.5 से 4.5 क्लास अटेंड करती थी मैं. बहुत बुरा हुआ था.
नहीं हमारी भी थी भारती मैम. शी वाज आवर टीचर इन आई गेस सेकंड ईयर या सेकंड सेमेस्टर ऐसा कुछ था. And it was amazing with her. She used to like, I used to tell her मेरे डांस प्रैक्टिस है, she used to be like ठीक है कोई बात नहीं चले जाओ.
तुम वो वाले बच्चे थे ना इलेक्ट्रिकल वाले.
अच्छा कोई ये भी होता है क्या कुछ
क्राइटेरिया.
like,
नहीं एक्चुअली इलेक्टिव में तो मिक्स्ड होता है ना यार सब, बट पता नहीं
आई थिंक बिकॉज उनका जब वो हुआ था ना थोड़ा बहुत इवेंट्स वगैरह हुए थे, then I was a part of that. You know.